You can talk. Why the fuck? What's all this bullshit been for the last 2,000 fucking miles?
Tú me ganas que hable contigo que me insultas. Si me gritas,
What?
si me intentas dejar tirar, tú me
Shut up,
intentas
shut up,
que
shut the fuck up!
Jonah, Gideon, Rebecca, Delilah,
Who's that?
Victor,
Who is that?
Jonah,
Who is that?
no, Dakota. Por favor. No, por favor.
Eddie, the nurse, she heard too many stories. You understand? Too many stories.
Aquí están mis
This
amigos.
is a long way. You understand? I am not taking you to North Dakota. I cannot get you there. It's a 2-day delay. I am not taking you. Don't
Vamos.
fucking hit me! Don't hit me!